Hi guys, welcome to my Christmas Decorate With Me Garland video. Today I'm going to show you a few techniques on how to decorate your fireplace with the garland and just a few picks. This is our first Christmas video this season and there will be many more, so please make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when I have more coming out. There's going to be lots of videos and I can't wait to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna start by putting two of these on the fireplace. I believe I got these from Joann's. I want this side to hang off quite a bit, probably 2 to 3 feet. I wanna make sure you guys can hear me, so I keep looking at the camera. You wanna fluff all the branches. So you want it to be as full as you can get it. If you don't have this kind of branch, they're at Joann's. They have them everywhere because they're super in right now. Hobby Lobby has them. Just find something similar because you can always dress it up with the picks. And if you notice, I'm just hanging this side over here just a little bit. And some hanging down are great. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, this is where I'm gonna start adding in some picks. I've got these little branch looking things with like, looks like snows on them. I'm just gonna start layering things. And I want this one to curve because it's gonna go down on this side here. I usually get 3, 5, 7 of one things. So these picks, I usually get about 3. That way I can put 2 over here on this side and then 1 just over here, just to have a little bit of the same color and contrast on both sides. So you could really just leave it like this if you wanted. And add a picture here, a vase, candles, you know, whatever you want. If you want it neutral colors. But I'm gonna go ahead and add on to this because I like mine a little bit more fluffy. Little berries here. Thing that I did with the wood, I'm just gonna add them in here and there. I'm gonna go this way a little bit. Have them hanging off over here on this side of the fireplace a little bit. And over here. I'm just gonna add them in for some height. And really, I'm just trying to get this side of the fireplace to poof out a little bit and be bigger. And make sure you intertwine everything too. So branches and stuff you see here, we can also hide with smaller picks and by moving stuff around a little bit. See, I could just hide that with that. And no one's gonna notice. No one's gonna be getting up close to your fireplace. All right, so you could also just leave it like this. I found another twig that I'm gonna add right here because I think we need some more stuff here. be adding a bow and some bells. So that'll give this area a bit more dimension. Just move things around until you feel like they look good. All right, so I made this super cute bow. It's just a floppy bow. Let's just stick that in there. So this is still half of the setup from the first one. If you didn't want red in it, just take these out, do the same exact thing, and then add your bow and ornaments. So this garland I just got from Hobby Lobby. It was half off, $59.99, so $30. So we are gonna do the same thing and just layer everything. Now I'm sure you can see that this is only going a little bit more than halfway through the fireplace. That's okay, we're just gonna add picks to everything and you won't even notice. You just want it fuller over here on this side. And we're gonna layer them the opposite way. So see, the end is here, the end is here. And remember, on this side, I like for just a little tail to be hanging over on this side. Or if you wanted to do them the same, we could also do that. That looks really nice. But I do like the other side so that I can put ornaments, bells, and you know, whatever I feel like putting up there. So I kind of just put this one together. So this silver stuff here that looks like branches with snow on it, I just wired onto this pick. And then I also put this little thing of berries in there. I've had this one for a couple of years. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick 2 over there, 1 over here. Actually, I decided to just put 3 over there. So here's another one of my floppy bows I made. By the way, this ribbon here, I just got from Hobby Lobby. And these are also from Hobby Lobby. Look how cute those look together. And they were also 50% off. They were 17 bucks, so half off of that. You could also add some bells. I took out the ornaments here. I got these on Amazon. These bells are super duper in right now. And I am just gonna hook it right on my nail here. So with this one, I'm just gonna keep the floppy bow, and then I'm gonna do some cute little garlands that are layered that will hang off of the fireplace. I got these super cute beads from Coming Home. And also, we're just gonna hook it on that same little nail that I put in there. And then I added another one. I want this loop to be longer and hang lower than this one over here. I'm going to do 3 layers on this one. So here I am again, starting with the base that I showed you. And these 2, I also found this pick and this pick. Oh, there's 3 different ones in here. So this eucalyptus, this pick, and then this one, I just wired them together. I want this hanging down pretty far, so I'm gonna barely stick that one in there. This one's gonna go this way a little bit more. And I'm just gonna drape it over this corner here. I want it more poofy here in the corner, so I'm just gonna add this one in. I have another floppy bow here. I think this color would look super good with the gold. These at Coming Home, and I've got 2 of them, so I'm going to try and hook these somehow. I just got this one from Home Goods. And I'm just going to mix it up with the fern. I just went through and found some old ribbon that I had used in prior years and just made a little 1-loop bow here. If I wanted to, I could also remove this 1-loop bow. Add this floppy bow on here and stick that right in the middle. And if you don't like bows, there it is without the bow. Also looks really pretty. And there it is with no bells, no bulbs, just plain like that. Really, if you've got any picks, you can make it work as long as you have a garland. So I just got these from coming home. These picks here. And these little eucalyptus with a champagne color that I love. And you could just leave it just like that. I just got these from Hobby Lobby. I'm just gonna wire these in. And I've got 3 different ones. And this one has a little bit different texture. This one I got from At Home last year. I'm just kind of layering these in as if they were the big bells that are in right now. And that is all today for my Decorate With Me garland video. I hope you guys got some inspiration and some good ideas. Please like my video, please subscribe, and please hit that notification bell when we have more Christmas videos coming out, because there's going to be a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.